Ano, shall we start now?
Of course. Here you go, Miss Ada. It started.
Thank you, Mr. Bora. Thank you.
Tamam, game on! Ada! Ada!
What happened? Malayo ba yung ring? Ha? Ano, nahihirapan ka na ba? Ha? Sobrang layo ba?
Ada, ipasa mo sa akin!
Mr.
Bilisan
Bora!
mo!
Mr.
Libreng-libre na ako! Malapit na ako sa ring!
basahan mo
Ada!
ako rito!
What will you do, ha? Hayaan mo na lang din ba yung bola? Ha? Will you just drop the ball and run away? It's not like that. Hindi nga madali. Pero hindi ka dapat sumuko. You have to be patient. You have to try a little. You have to exert effort. Just like this.
Evet! Ada!
Tatakbuhan mo ba?
What's that? Naglalaro ba talaga silang dalawa?
Hindi ko na rin alam eh.
Hindi na nila ipapasa yan. Libreng-libre na nga ako, hindi pa rin pinapasa.
What if mag-dessert na lang tayo, ha?
Alam mong nasa isip ko.
Come on.
Let's go then. Dessert it is.
Wow, grabe. ang
Tingnan mo
galing
sila.
talaga, Mr.
Kaya
Bora.
na
Ang
nila
galing
yan.
mo.
By the way, bagay sa'yo yung suot mo. Ang sporty tingnan.
What happened?
Aslan, bakit parang namumutla ka?
Nako, hindi no. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Ha? Okay ka lang?
Siyempre, Abby, siyempre. Okay lang si Abla, okay lang.
Ah, maraming salamat.
Thanks for the meal, Belma.
Bon appetit.
Let's eat. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit din.
Ano nang balita kay Hanife?
Hi. Darling, I'm also worried about her. She said she didn't feel well, so nagpa-check up siya.
Well, I hope she's
Oo
okay.
nga, ay.
Alam nyo, masarap din to pag may kasamang atsara.
Atsara raw. Gusto niya raw ng atsara. Gusto mo talaga? May atsara ba rito? Meron ba? Gusto niya ng
Meron
atsara?
namang atsara sa kitchen.
Talaga
Wow,
meron?
ako nang kukuha, Mrs.
Hindi,
Belma.
ako na.
Sandali lang,
Umupo
ha?
ka na lang dyan. Ako na. Umupo ka na lang. Sige na. Dadaling ko yung atsara. Dadaling ko rito.
Evet,
Meron sa
Evet,
kusina.
nandun lang sa kusina.
Kukunin ko na. Mabilis lang ako. Diyan ka lang, ha?
Okay lang ba siya, ha?
Evet, okay naman. Ganyan lang talaga ang asawa ko sa akin. Ang lambing nga niya eh.
That's great to hear. Dapat lang. May God bless him.
Amen, amen.
Where's Sarah, by the way?
Kasama niya yung kaibigan niya.
Anyway, I don't think you know about it. Well, paano niyo malalaman? Look, ang galing ng ginawa. Nina Bora at Ada last time, they both busted a fraudulent network.
Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Oh, well, I also give a little support for them from the side, but it's not even worth saying.
Ang galing
naman.
I swear, they make a great couple at maganda magiging bunga nilang dalawa.
Ano yung bunga? Narinig ko yun. May nagsabing bunga. Kailan manganganak? Kapangalan dapat ang baba ko, Yasimin. Kailan?
Abby. Ikaw talaga? Huwag kang madaldal.
Wala pa rin bang balita kay Ada, Rusgar? It's been a while and you've been saying the same thing to me. I mean, nasa ospital ngayon ang auntie ng asawa mo. Aren't you even worried about it?
How could I not worry about them, Mr. Chalal? Of course, I am worried, pero wala yung maitutulong. It seems a lot better for me to wait for any update from my wife and pupuntahan ko na lang siya kagad kapag kailangan niya ako.
Oh well, bravo, gentleman. And to be honest, hindi talaga kita gusto nung umpisa. Alam mo ba yun? I thought, ginagamit mo lang si Ada for your benefit. But it seems that I was
Oh
wrong.
no, ba't naisip mo yan? I love my wife so much.
Bravo. But then, I still have my eyes on you.
Gusto mo magtsaa, Mr. Chalal? O kaya, kape na lang para sa ating dalawa. I do not like to say this, pero mas magaling akong magtimpla kay Ada.
Sure, tamam, tignan natin.
Tamam, you will see. Sandali lang ha. Chalos. Chalos, you didn't leave me any other choice, Chalos.
Being a team isn't just a thing. Kailangan ng team spirit. What now? Anong gagawin mo? Maghahanap ka ng bagong trabaho? Ha?
Evet, I'll look into that.
Well, pwede kitang gawan ng referral letter. Do you want?
No, Mr. Barra, there's no need. Ayoko. And you know what? It's about time to put an end to the trouble we brought to your house.
What about Elif?
Kaibigan ko si Elif.
Do not leave your friends alone. It's going to be a shame. Ten zero.
I can count.
That's great. I'm pleased.
Well, I won't leave Elif. Woo! 2 points.
Bravo. 2-10.
Nergis, sandalan mo to. Ito. Relax ka lang.
Anong nangyayari, ha?
Komportable ka na ba?
Siyempre naman, Aslan. Salamat.
Seryoso ka? Komportable ka na talaga na may unan dyan?
Evet, siyempre.
Relax ka lang. Nandito lang ako kapag may kailangan ka. Ikaw, komportable ka naman?
Aslan, ano ba, ha?
Bakit? Naisip ko lang kasi, bakit kaya hindi tayo mag-inihaw na isda mamayang gabi? Di ba? Ano sa palagay nyo?
Gusto ko yun. Magandang ideya yun.
May nabasa nga pala ako sa internet.
About fishes?
Folic acid.
I didn't get it.
Folic acid. Mahalaga kasi yung folic acid sa ating lahat. Kumakain tayo ng isda. Lalo na tong mahal kong asawa na si Nergis. Hindi ba, Harry?
Evet, paborito ko nga yan. Lalo na pag may tahini halva, the best. Ang sarap nun.
Oo,
Tamang-tama
tama.
lang sa panlasa. Grabe talaga. Ay, sobrang sarap nun sa lalamunan.
Talaga ba?
The best talaga yun.
At tahini halva. May tahini halva ba kayo? Wala?
no.
Naku,
Naku.
bibili ako. Tahini halva.
Halika nga.
Honey,
Aslan,
hintayin
ano
mo
ba?
ako. Mabilis lang ako.
Pwede naman bukas yun, ha?
Mr. Chalal, kumusta? Masarap ba?
It's great. It's great. It's great. What did you put in this coffee? Huh?
Naglalagay kasi talaga ako ng konting banana syrup sa kape, Mr. Chalal. I really like putting some on my coffee. Masarap naman, hindi ba?
I swear this is great. At paborito ko rin talaga ang saging rusgar. I mean, if I were a monkey, this coffee is great. Oh.
Now you're already a monkey. So ano nang gagawin ko sa'yo, Mr. Chalal? You still like some?
Oh, get it. Get it.
Tamam.
Oh.
What is it? Why are you squeezing my hand, huh? Yvette, nakabili kami ng pagkain. Could you please move?
Paupo
A
eh.
little more, please. Sige pa.
Ali, kasya na kayo ni Celine. That's enough, Ali.
Tamam, okay na. We've seated. So how was the match, huh? What's your score,
What's the
guys?
score of the match? 30-8, Ali.
30-9 kaya yun. 3 points yung huling shot ko, di ba?
No. Ako na lang, Ali.
Huh? Yvette, but you're tired. Susubuan na kita. Huwag ka na mahiya. Kainin mo na. Isn't it sweet?
Beshi, halika nga.
Bakit?
Basta, just come here for a while.
Beshi, kumain ka na muna. Saan ka pupunta? Pagod pa ako.
Halika na, mabilis lang naman eh. Kaya, Pada, come on.
Tamam. Tara na.
Ano
Mabilis
bang
lang kami,
gagawin niyo?
wait lang.
Ay, this girl can't do anything without me. My poor friend.
Tamam. Eat it, pinsan.
Why don't you eat that yourself? Don't get into my nerves. Umayos ka, Ali.
Right, tamam. Ito na. Kumuha ka na nga lang.
Look at me. Okay ka naman. And you're doing really well, pinsan. Bravo. Holding hands, ha? Akala mo di ko nakita.
We're doing really well. It's going really well.
Well, did you talk about something or anything? May sinabi ba siya?
What would she say?
Anything. Something about the two of you or about life. I don't know. Close naman kasi kayo. Well, in fact, you're very close with each other. I thought maybe you are going deeper.
Ngayon ako, pinsan, our life is what it is, the same as the others. Pero yung topic namin, well, it was about being honest with each other, to always have respect for each other, pinsan. Ganun mga topic namin.
You talk about honesty.
Yvette, that's right. We're always honest.
Come on. Very well. Okay nga yan.
Tingnan mo naman si Ali, Ada. Hindi ko siya matingnan sa mata ng dahil sa kahihiyan. Ayoko na. Gusto ko nang sabihin ang lahat.
Ano sasabihin mo, Beshi?
Hindi ko alam. Sasabihin ko na lang na ako yung babaeng may excess baggage. I'd say I had a failed marriage kaya nakipaghiwalay ako. What do you think?
And why would you say that to him, Beshi?
Para sa'yo, Ada.
Celine. Celine.
I'll do anything for you, my Beshi.
Celine. Oh, Celine. I swear, lahat talaga posibleng mangyari kapag ikaw ang kaibigan.
Look, tinitingnan tayo ni Mr. Bora. I'm doing it. Sasabihin ko na sa kanila. Bahala na.
Don't be silly. You can't do that, Celine.
Beshi, ano ba? Ito na yung last chance natin, tama? Pag di ko ginawa, si Mr. Bora nang magsasabi. It would be so much worse, Ada. At kapag nangyari yun, malalagot tayong dalawa.
No, Beshi. We're covering up one lie with another. I've had enough. I'm so done and I'm so tired. No more lies. Tama na.
Come on, girls. Paubos na to.
Ma'am,
Sige.
saglit na lang. Why don't you tell Mr. Bora the thing about Rizgar, ha? Malay mo, hindi naman siya magalit.
No. I'm sure that he would be mad about that.
Tamam. Dadalhan ko na lang sila. Maybe they're shy. Ayaw lumapit ni pinsan sa inyo.
Ayun siya.
Come on, kumuha na kayo. Masarap, swear. Bago kayo maubusan.
Hindi ako kumakain na may gluten.
May gluten ba ang baklava? Meron ba?
Ayaw talaga ni Ada ng gluten.
Tamam, I'm back.
You did well. Ada, did you talk to Celine? Listen, tell her na sabihin na kay Ali ang lahat. And I'm serious. Tama, Ada? I mean, look, my conscience is now eating me, Ada. Sa iba, okay lang to. Is your conscience clear, Ada? That's what I thought too.
Very well, Caterpillar. Very well, Caterpillar. Go ahead, Caterpillar. Hey. Hey, did you know, just like this caterpillar here, you are as spineless and I never ever trusted you.
Mr. Jalal, come on, doon ka sa sofa. Ali ka na. Tara na. Tara na. Ang bigat. There you go. Relax, relax, relax. Itong paa mo, dito. Mr. Jalal, ang lakas ng pakiramdam mo, ha? Pero ganun din kasi ako. Can't explain it, but I feel you're the type of guy who would get drunk with liquor like this. I mean, tignan mo nga ang sarili mo. Wala ka ng malay dahil sa ginawa ko sa'yo at wala ka ng kalam-alam.
Huh?